Hi, my name is Kelly. I'm an instructor at the IELC, and today I'm going to show you how to explain a process in English. One of my favorite things to make is coffee. And today I used an Italian mocha pot, and I'm going to show you how I did it. The way you can use this video is to listen and then repeat what I say, and that way you can practice grammar in context. So the grammar in this video is the imperative, or when you give a command, when you tell someone how to do something or explain a process. So let's get started, and I'll show you how to make an Italian coffee with a mocha pot.
How to make coffee with an Italian mocha pot. First, twist off the lid. Then remove the filter. Next, fill the mocha pot with water. Make sure the water doesn't go higher than the valve. Put the filter back in. Get your coffee and fill the mocha pot with ground coffee. Then screw the lid back on. Place your mocha pot on the stove. Then turn on the stove and keep it on low heat. When you see the coffee coming up, it's almost ready. Turn off the stove. And finally, your coffee is ready. Get an espresso cup, pour your coffee in, and enjoy.
Okay, now that my coffee is ready, I am going to take a sip. We call coffee like this, that is very strong and small, espresso. And I happen to love strong coffee. I don't put anything in my coffee. I prefer it black. So that means without sugar, without cream, without anything, just coffee. What about you? How do you take your coffee? Do you prefer it with a little sugar and cream? Or maybe you prefer a specialty drink like a cappuccino or a mocha? So the English mocha actually has chocolate in it. So let me know how you take your coffee in the comments below. If this video was useful to you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who are learning English, and subscribe for more weekly English tips. If you have any questions about American culture or the English language, please leave it in a comment below and I'll try to answer it in a future video. If you are interested in studying with us at the IELC, the Intensive English Language Center at the University of Nevada, Reno, there's a link to information about our online and on-campus programs. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again next time. Bye!